Welcome to the training module on working with dates and times with inside of Excel. The workbook you can work on during this training session is the one called Dates and Time, and for this particular session we're going to look at the first sheet, which is called Autofill. Now, Autofill is a great feature within Excel that allows us to work a lot faster than before. So if we have a look at this spreadsheet, we've got our sales, expenses and profits. And what we'd like to do is put the months of the year across the top columns from column B to column M. Now, you've got two ways of doing this. Because months, weekdays, and all those things are already recognized by Excel, you don't need to create a series. So you can simply start by typing the month, and before you even have to go on to create the series, and before you even push enter, on the right hand side of your cell there's a little cross. You can simply drag across and it will complete the series for you. Alternatively, you can also use abbreviations, keeping in mind your abbreviations have to be 3 characters only. So for example, for September you cannot use SEPT, it will not pick up on the series. So for this case I'm going to use Jan, and I can simply drag the data across. The same goes for the day of the week. I can just say Mon for Monday and simply drag the data down. So autocorrect will automatically pick up that information for us. If we wanted to create a series of data, let's look at using times. I'll start with 9 o'clock, and let's say our next entry will be 10 past 9. You only need 2 entries to start a certain series of data. You select them both and you can continue so that Excel can complete the series for you. And that's how easy it is to use Autofill in Excel 2013.